Hey again. I've been getting a lot of support from a lot of other bloggers saying that yes, it's nice, we shouldn't charge 5,000, we should value our services, etc. But I've also been noticing one thing where some of the bloggers are saying things like, I hope brands read this and realize that blogging is a lot of work. I hope PR agencies look at this and understand that, blogging can't be free and it needs to be paid for, etc. You as a blogger, you have to realize that you can only control what you do. You can control your rates, you can control and decide who you want to work with. These are choices you can make. You can't control what brands want to do or what PR agencies want to do. They have an agenda, they have a budget, they have a different understanding of how blogging works or where they want to put their marketing money or their marketing budget. You can't tell them that, bloggers need to get paid. You have to decide that. As a blogger, you need to decide that this is what my work is worth and this is what I charge. And I am not willing to work at anything less than that. You can't go to a PR agency and say, I hope you realize how much work blogging is. No, they don't. They don't give a fuck. They've got their own problems. They've got their own how to, manage their clients, PR clients. A brand has its own issues, how to sell more product, how to spend less money on marketing and reach the same kind of audience, which is why they want to work with bloggers. Because working with bloggers is so much cheaper because we are idiots. We don't charge money for the services that we provide. So you can't go blame brands and say that they don't pay. No, they will pay what they want to pay or what their budget is, how much they're willing to pay or how much you charge as a blogger. If a brand comes to you and says, hey, you have great content on the blog, we want to work with you and our budget is 5,000 rupees. And you tell them, look, my rate is 50,000 bucks. I work at the rate of 50,000 per blog post. Now, if the brand is willing to pay you 50,000, then they will pay you 50,000. Otherwise, they will go on to someone else. There will always be someone willing to do the work for free or for cheap. That's not the point. I mean, don't compare yourself that, I've heard this, that, so-and-so's dad has so much money or so-and-so's husband is, doing so much and she doesn't really need the money so she can do it for free. How is that your problem? What do you want to charge? Stop looking at what the other person is doing in terms of, and when you're comparing yourself, please be aware of their backgrounds. There are some bloggers who do charge 15,000, 20,000 and they are okay with it. That's fine. Do you know how much your work is worth? Do you know how much you should be charging? Don't go and say that blogger does this and that blogger does this and it's the same thing. Then what's the difference between you and the brands who come and say, Arey, you charge 50,000 but that blogger is doing it for 5,000 so you should do it for 5,000. That's ridiculous. So just saying that I hope brands and PR agencies will look at this and suddenly decide to, when they have a budget of 5,000 plus for a blogger, suddenly decide to pay 50,000 to every blogger. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. Please focus on yourself. You set your rates. You decide your work. You decide who you are. What value are you providing to the brand? And then you decide what you charge for that. And when a brand gives you a counter offer, then you decide whether you want to accept that counter offer or not. End of story. So, yeah, rant over.